All right, team. National Geographic's out here again. Operation Hide Yo Hair begins now.
Ooh, blending in like a champ. Tree to foot ratio? Optimal. Stealth level, ninja. Sound level, family-sized bag of chips.
Classic pro move. Become the foliage. Just not this much foliage.
2 meters away. They have no idea. Either that or they're legally blind.
I made eye contact. It's over. Tell my pine cones I love them.
And that concludes today's episode of Hide and Seek Cryptid Edition. Smash that like or I'm telling the raccoons where you live.